Anthony Marivic P. with honors. Marivic will receive 17 medals. Marivic will receive the Athletics Award, Leadership Award as Grade 6 representative in the Supreme Elementary Learner Government. Performing Arts Award, Dancer of the Year, Star Reader Award. During the district meet, second place in 800-meter run. Second place, 1,500-meter run. First place, 4 by 100-meter run. First place, 4 by 400-meter run. During the DGCA meet, second place, 800-meter run. Second place, 1,500-meter run. Champion, 4 by 400-meter run. Second place, 4 by 100-meter run. And our Niraam qualifier. A round of applause to Marivic P. Anthony. And Athlete of the Year. Okay, tag-usapik. Pilok raya mo.